Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. So today I want to talk to you about AIG annuities. I'll look at fixed annuities as well as income annuities. And we'll be able to kind of look at what's the highest payout, what's the highest interest rate, and of course we'll compare them with everything else. Okay, so you're looking at an AIG annuity and you're thinking to yourself, hey, is this the best annuity for me? Is this an annuity company that I can trust? Well, I can just tell you from experience, yes, absolutely, you can definitely trust AIG. They've been around for a long, long time. They're very, very strong, and they're A-rated. So I'm going to share my screen, though, and I'm going to show you the best fixed annuities, or what we call MYGAs, multi-year guaranteed annuity contracts, as well as income annuity. So it just really depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for just, somewhere to park your cash where you can just get a guaranteed return and you're okay if the market goes way up, you don't get a higher return, you just want that fixed rate, and of course if the market goes down, you still get that fixed rate, then they're great. If you're looking for income, they have some of the highest income payout rates in the industry. Not always, so it just depends. And I look at all annuities, but this video, strictly speaking, we're going to be comparing AIG, looking at it and see how they work, as well as how they compare with other companies. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen here, and we're going to just type in AIG, and we're looking at MYGAs first, multi-year guaranteed annuities, or what we call fixed annuities, okay? So we'll look at just the AIG ones, and there are ones that pay more, but AIG, as you can see, it has the different premium amounts, 100,000 to 1 million. You can kind of see different ones. I've got the 5, the 7, different variations. They got income achievers, income builders, and you can see the rates that they are paying. Okay, and of course the surrender year. So 5 years surrender, it's a 4.95 at least as of this video, and guaranteed yield to surrender is a 4.95 as well. So not bad. Let's see, 6 year, 7 year both give you a 4.95. 10 year give you a 4.95, not bad. And then you can see some of the other ones, different variations. But yeah, if you're looking for a maximum growth for a fixed annuity, 4.95 is not bad. It's not the highest though, and I'll just show you. If you want to look at the highest, there are other companies, of course, that pay out quite a bit more. All right, now some of these are B-rated companies, which you don't need a B-rated company to make good interest. And you can see here the top one is B++. It's giving you a 5.4% return. That's not bad. But America, which is A-rated, will give you a 5.4 as well. Okay, and maybe not as long. They won't guarantee it as long. They'll give you 2 for 7 years, not 10 years. So, there's maybe some risk involved if you go with a B-rated company. But you can see that there are some B-rated companies that have higher interest rates. Now, don't let the 5.9 fool you. Sometimes it's simple interest, not compound. So keep that in mind as well. And then, of course, if we want to just look at, A or higher, which typically when I'm looking at best annuity rates, I typically will look at companies that are A-rated just because I want a safer company. I want a company that's been around for a long time that has a lot of reserves in play. So if you want to look at just A-rated companies, then you've got Americo, you've got Athene, and you can see those rates, 5.3, 5.4, and of course the different surrender years. And then Anico actually has a lot of these. I sell a lot of Palladians. They actually used to be the highest, and now literally their rates went down yesterday. So it's a 5.25, and you can see the years that they guarantee that rate for as well. Okay, so let's go to the income side. So maybe you're looking for an annuity that gives you maximum amount of income, and you're looking at an AIG annuity and you're wondering, hey, is this one giving me the most income? Well, let's take a look, because sometimes it does. Sometimes it does give you the most income, but a lot of times it does not. And we'll take a look right now. Okay, so I'm just basing this off of someone who's in Florida, 66 years old, $300,000, and let's see here. Now, if you were to take income right now, an immediate annuity, okay, then yes, AIG's payout is the highest. You can see right now off of $300,000, it's $18,300 for the rest of your life. And this is if you took income right now, next month, okay? But if you plan on waiting, okay, and you can see here's all the other companies, how they stack up. So AIG stacks up pretty darn good for an immediate annuity. But let's take a look at what it would look like if you decided to let this grow and you wanted to take advantage of maybe higher roll-up rates, then you might want to look elsewhere. So AIG is great for immediate. And it really depends on your age too. So if you're younger or older, other companies actually might work better than AIG. All right, so just 1 year difference. You could see American Equity will actually give you more income. It's $20,505. It's not a lot, $20,438, but it gives you some long-term care. So this one will give you long-term care where it almost doubles the income, where AIG will not. So keep that in mind. If you want something that has long-term care benefit and get the same amount as AIG and get that extra benefit, then American Equity is great for that. Now let's say I wanted to wait 5 years. Let's just see how these look at 5 years. Okay, so you can see that AIG is still up there. They're doing pretty good. But you've got American Equity still beating them out, and they give you the long-term care as well. All right, so that's not bad. AIG is doing pretty good. Let's look at what it would be if you were different ages. Okay, let's say you're 59. Let's say your spouse, and again, I'm just comparing, these are joint annuity payouts, by the way. So joint annuities pay a little bit less than single annuities, okay? So let's say the wife is 60. You're 59. Let's say you're a male and you're 59 and your wife is 60. Then, all right, in 5 years, you can see the payout. Now, AIG beats out American Equity. Okay, so it really does depend on a lot of factors. Okay, so that's $27,840, not bad in 5 years. All right, let's look a little bit further. What if you are single? Okay. What if you're single and you don't have a partner, you don't plan on having a partner, and you just want to have a single payout and you want to have the maximum amount to you? American Equity wins $30,000. $30,112 versus $30,015. Again, they give you the long-term care. So, all right. Let's go in here and we'll do one more example. Let's say you're 70 years old and maybe you want to take income in 5 years. Just kind of curious what it looks like. All right, so you can see some of the B-rated companies, but yeah, American Equity beats them out. So does Athene, and now AIG is down here. Okay, if you wanted to take an immediate payout, let's see if AIG gets to the top here. Oh, look at that. AIG is not on the top. Now it's Ameritas. Now it's North American. So it really does depend on your age. Depends on if you're married. There's a lot of factors to look at. But the difference, could be $1,000 extra a year. So again, Ameritas is just as good as AIG. So, and there's a lot of other factors to consider. If you're looking for more long-term care benefits, there are other companies to consider, especially if you want long-term care benefits at home versus being confined to a nursing home. Midland National is one of the only companies that gives you that opportunity. So anyways, I can go over that with you, but if you've got questions, that's what I'm here for. Book a call. Book a call with me. It'll be 30 minutes. And we can go over your specific situation. We'll look at your income needs, if you're looking for income, or if you're looking just for guaranteed growth and just want to set aside some money for higher growth, you can do that too. There's a lot of different things we can look at. I'll ask you a lot of questions, get to know you, and I'm not going to pressure you to buy anything. I just want to show you what's available, and then you decide, okay? If you got any other questions after that, we can schedule another call, or if not, no big deal. But happy to help how I can. Just book a call, go to the link in the description or in the comments, and I am really looking forward to meeting you. See you soon.